It's a convenient and practical tool that allows you to enjoy delicious barbecue anytime. Our grill kit contains all of the following tools: a motor, a stit rod, a balance kit, a counter, a meat fork. This is the rotisserie grill kit installation stats. Tighten the latch. Tighten the other end of the lock. Install the balance kit and handle. Preliminary completion. Insert the stit into the motor. Slide the motor onto the bracket. Lock the counter. Turn on the switch to make sure it is work. The electric barbecue grill makes barbecue easier. End of video. Thanks for watching.